Will AI replace salespeople? Probably the wrong question. Humans keep the judgment. In 5 years, top sellers won't do more activity, they'll make practical breakdown every day. Subscribe to Pravraha, one practical GTM breakdown every day. That's it for today's recording.
Will AI replace salespeople? That's probably the wrong question. A better question is, what parts of selling will AI take over, and what becomes more valuable when it does? Because 5 years from now, sales will probably still exist. But the day-to-day job of a salesperson could look very different. Section 1. The work AI will take. Think about how much sales work is really information processing, researching accounts, finding contacts, updating CRM records, writing repetitive emails, summarizing meetings, creating reports, scheduling follow-ups. These tasks consume enormous amounts of time, but many don't require deep human judgment. AI can increasingly handle them. That means the sales role starts moving away from activity and toward decision-making. Section 2. What becomes more valuable? When AI handles more execution, the human skills that remain become more important. Understanding business problems, building trust, negotiating, handling objections, creating consensus, navigating stakeholders, knowing when to push and when to wait. These aren't simply information problems. They're judgment problems. And complex B2B buying decisions are full of them. Section 3. The new sales workflow. Imagine a future sales workflow. AI identifies an account showing meaningful signals. AI researches the company. AI summarizes the relevant context. AI recommends the next action. The salesperson enters the conversation already prepared. Instead of spending an hour researching the account, they spend that hour understanding the customer. Instead of sending 50 generic emails, they spend more time having fewer, better conversations. That's a major shift. The salesperson becomes less of a task executor and more of a revenue strategist. Section 4. Human expertise doesn't disappear. This doesn't mean AI becomes irrelevant once humans enter the process. Quite the opposite. AI can process information at enormous scale. Humans can interpret situations. AI can identify patterns. Humans can understand relationships. AI can recommend an action. Humans decide whether that action makes sense. The strongest organizations will combine both. Not AI versus humans, but AI underneath human expertise. Conclusion. So what does sales look like in 5 years? Probably less administrative, less repetitive, less dependent on manual research, and potentially much more strategic. The best salespeople won't necessarily be the ones doing the most activity. They'll be the ones making the best decisions with the best information. That's the opportunity. AI doesn't have to make sales less human. It can remove the work that prevents salespeople from being more human. If this changed how you think about the future of sales, subscribe to Pravraha for one practical GTM breakdown every week.